Hello everyone, is your car's cooling fan acting strange? Running at full speed all the time or not turning on at all? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0695, cooling fan 2 control circuit high, it means there's a problem with the secondary cooling fan's electrical system. Ignoring this issue could lead to engine overheating, increased fuel consumption or battery drain. In this video I'll explain what P0695 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0695? The P0695 trouble code stands for Cooling Fan 2 Control Circuit High. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected higher than normal voltage in the control circuit of the secondary cooling fan. This could cause the fan to run at full speed continuously, not turn on when needed, draw excessive power, leading to battery drain. Common symptoms of P0695: check engine light on cooling fan running at high speed all the time, engine overheating and stop-and-go traffic, air conditioning not cooling properly, battery draining quickly due to fan overuse. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0695, check these important components. Cooling fan 2 relay. Location: inside the engine bay, fuse/relay box, near the radiator or battery. Function: controls power to the secondary cooling fan motor. Secondary cooling fan motor. Location: mounted on the radiator, either in front or behind it. Function: helps maintain engine cooling, especially during high temperatures or AC operation. Cooling fan control module. Location: near the radiator or attached to the fan assembly. Powertrain control module. Location: mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or in the engine bay. Cooling fan circuit wiring and connectors. Function: carries power and control signals. Damaged wires can cause voltage spikes. Common causes of P0695: faulty cooling fan relay. A stuck relay can send constant high voltage to the fan. Short circuit in wiring. A damaged wire might be causing excessive voltage. Faulty cooling fan motor. A failing motor can draw too much power. Defective cooling fan control module. If equipped, it can send incorrect signals to the fan. PCM malfunction. A faulty PCM might be sending incorrect high voltage signals. How to fix P0695. Step 1. Check and replace the cooling fan relay. Swap it with a working relay to test. Step 2. Inspect the cooling fan motor. Use a multimeter to check voltage and resistance. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose terminals or damaged wires. Step 4. Test the cooling fan control module. Ensure it's sending the correct signals. Step 5. Check PCM signals. Use a scanner to verify PCM fan control outputs. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0695 can lead to battery drain, overheating, and increased engine wear. Fixing it early will keep your car cool and running efficiently. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0642, sensor reference voltage, A circuit low. P0643, sensor reference voltage, A circuit high. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.